Hey students, today's math lesson is on elapsed time.
The objective for this lesson is I can use pictorial models to tell and write time and determine in minutes the interval of times. Let's review. What time is it? Great, so you know how to tell times now. Awesome sauce. Now what we're going to do is we're going to learn elapsed time. How many minutes have passed in between the time? First, we need to identify what is the time right now. Then we need to see what time it ends. I identified my start time at 10:15 and counted by intervals of 5 or skip counted by 5 until I arrive at 10:35. So there's a total of 15 minutes that elapsed. Let's look at this like it's a word problem. Maribel went to the grocery store at 10:15. She finished shopping at 10:35. How long did it take for her to shop? So after I had identified the start and end time and skip counted by 5, I can see that Maribel went shopping for 15 minutes. Michael started playing video games at 9:25. He stopped playing at 10:35. How long was he playing video games? So I count in increments of 5 and I can count up and see that Michael played video games for 15 minutes. Good job, you got this. Now we're gonna go ahead and look at elapsed time, but this time we're going to identify the start time. Ken ran a marathon and finished at 5:35. It took him 2 hours and 15 minutes. What was his start time? We can create ourselves a number line and count back by hours and minutes to find our start time. As you can see on my number line, I started with the end time and counted backwards by hours and then by minutes in intervals of 5 until I added up to a total of 2 hours and 15 minutes to find my start time. Good job, you guys. Now let's look at another problem. The clock below shows the time Susan left the mall. What time did she arrive if she was at the mall for 2 hours and 10 minutes? We can draw us another number line and put the end time or when she left the mall at the beginning and count backwards or subtract. So as you can see, I created my number line and started at 11 o'clock and counted backwards by hours and then by minutes to total up the time for how long Susan was at the mall. So now you guys know about lots of times. I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Bye!